Hey guys, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays! I look crusty, have my glasses on. I feel like I look so nerdy, but it's okay. These are my glasses and this is, sometimes I don't wear my contacts. I don't know why I explained that, but anyway. I wanted to do a little bit of a video about some of my favorite gifts that I'm giving this year. Some of them are personalized and I thought it'd be a good idea to share it in case you guys are looking for gifts like that in the future or just in general. So I just wanted to share and let's get into the video. I think the only 3 places that I shopped this year was literally Etsy, Amazon, and Bed Bath & Beyond. Like, that's pretty much it. So this is not everything, but these are just a few gifts that stood out that I want to share with you guys. I enjoy using Etsy because I like to help out small businesses and I really like unique and personalized gifts. The first thing that I really enjoyed giving, I gave to my dad, is this sign that I found on Etsy. So it's a personalized sign that says Jamaica on it and it has the miles and distance from Jamaica to where he lives. I don't know where I saw it originally, but there's these signs that people have in their yards that's like a giant post and it says like this place however miles away, this place however miles away, and this place however miles away. And I saw that, I thought that was really cool. When I looked on Etsy, because again I said in another video I shopped like a week before Christmas, so I saw that huge sign and I thought it'd be cool if I had the distances between a variety of places, like where my grandma lives, where we live, where my sister and her family lives, and other relatives. But the signs were going to be like $100, and I was like, okay, that's a little bit high for me. Let's see about maybe a place that he's from. So my dad is from Jamaica, and I thought that would be really nice. So what I did was I went on Etsy and looked at a different couple signs, and I came across this one by this woman. Her shop name is called Pineapplemulu. Her name's actually Kim as well, and the sign came out really great in my opinion, so I was like, great, Kim's, we do things all right. But I checked out her website. It was the signs looked really cool, and you can basically choose whatever colors you want, what you wanted to say on it. So I messaged her and she was really responsive. She was able to get it done and shipped out so quickly. And the best thing about it was that she messaged me and showed me 2 different options. I kind of guessed that I wanted to have a green background since the sign would probably be outside, and if it was in black, if black was the base color, I felt like the sun might hit. It would just attract a lot of sunlight and maybe fade quicker. So I asked her to do a green background. So she showed me both ones and then she agreed with me that the green one was probably better. So she made that up and she sent that out and I really enjoyed that. It just felt really personalized. So that's one of my suggestions to you, is to get like a sign from where someone's from or a place that they really love, and it's just kind of like a nice little memory. And sure, like if I had any sort of artistic skills, I could probably get some wood, get a stencil, and make the sign myself, but I actually wanted someone that does that frequently to do that themselves, and I'm really happy with it. Next thing that I got on my list that I really enjoyed, I actually got on Amazon, and it's these earrings. I'll have to do a zoom in on it. These are earrings from a brand called Benevolence. One of my gifts I got for my sister was also a head wrap, so she can wrap up her hair when she doesn't have to do it or whatever, and I wanted to get some earrings to match. So the head wrap is in a green color, and so are these earrings that just kind of dangle down. And the exciting thing about this is that proceeds from your purchase goes to creating awareness about human trafficking. And I thought that was really nice too, because that's a really important issue that we have right now. And I like that there are gifts even on Amazon that can go towards greater causes, and I felt like that was extra special to make a purchase towards, so I hope she really likes them. Okay, so the next one, I really enjoyed the idea. I'm not massively in love with how it came out, but I'm still obviously going to give the gifts. It's just kind of like the photo looked different than what I got. So this is from an Etsy store called TreasuresDelightsWtc, and these are personalized notebooks. I know we're like in the age of like being on our phones and stuff like that, but I felt like sometimes you just want like a notebook to just kind of like write things out or make lists or just kind of like stream write or free write, and I got that both for my mom and my sister. So with this one, you could personalize it and put a quote or their name or whatever on the front. So I did 2 different quotes, and I got the 40-page one. I kind of knew that that would be a smaller notebook, but I didn't want to do the 80-page one because it's like, I don't know, people use notebooks for different things, or if they don't want to use it for so much stuff, they don't have to worry about like the pages being too long. But this is what they look like. For my sister, I got one that says keep going, just a little inspiration for her in her life. And my mom's one, it says, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. It's a Bible quote. They're small enough to carry on the go, to slip into your bag. You can choose how you want to customize the books. You don't have to just do 40 pages. You can do 80. You can do it so it's sketch paper. I chose lined paper. I really liked all the options that I have. I did think that and you can choose the font as well. I did think that the books would look a little bit different based on the photo that I saw. It's okay. I think this is still really cute. I think it's still a nice gift to just kind of have. I might end up buying one for myself. They were pretty inexpensive, and again, it's just like something that you can kind of have on the go or when you're writing, and I like that they're personalized. The final thing that I really am so excited. I can't even believe I found it. I don't know how it popped into my head, but I think I was looking for gifts on Etsy, and I ended up going off of Etsy and finding something in general. Was a gift from my nephew. So my nephew is 3 years old, and I was looking at gifts and stuff that were on his little wish list. I was looking for things that would be easy for him to have, or small stuff so he doesn't have like so many toys, and I came across these puzzles, and then I realized, like, what about puzzles that kind of reflected like what he looks like? I just did a Google search and just said like puzzles for African-American kid puzzles. I came across this site called Puzzle Huddle. I'll put all the information down below. They also have an Instagram page, and it's just this family that decided to create puzzles with African-American kids on it. And as I was going through it, I just was like, oh my god, these are so cute. And it's just a little, you know, a little touch. So this is what they look like. I got 2 of them. They were relatively inexpensive, and I believe they came so quickly. I think I ordered this on like a Saturday or a Friday, and they came Monday, so they were already ready. But this first one's really cute. It's these kids in a hot air balloon. You can choose the different puzzle piece sizes. This one's a 15 piece. Like I said, he's only 3 years old, but there's some that can be a poster or like tons of pieces. So I just got simple ones. And so the next one is this one, and it is like a little, it says future airman. So it's just a kid playing with an airplane, and I just thought that was so cool. It reminded me of him. So those are just a few gifts that I really liked that felt a little bit more personalized this season. Every one of these things was very affordable. Comment down below any of the gifts that you just feel like, you know, touched your heart just a little bit this season, or you're really excited to give to each other. Let's have a conversation down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.